children, welcome to the class. Today I am going to take 3rd standard science. The topic is force. Very interesting topic. Lesson number 3, force. Okay, the subtopic simple movements and action, force, push, pull, effects of forces. Children, first we learn simple movements and actions. Simple movements and action. In our daily life, we do different actions such as pushing, pulling, twisting and turning. By doing these actions, we move or change the shape of an object. First, change in position of an object is called movement. What is movement? Change in position of an object is called movement. Okay, action. Second point, action is the motion which gives the required result. Action is the motion which gives the required result. Okay, look at the picture. To understand movement and action better, okay, what is the first picture? The player hits the ball with the hockey stick. Okay. In the second picture, boys are riding bicycle. In the above picture, what moves? இந்த பிக்சரில் எதெல்லாம் மூவ் ஆகுது அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. The ball, the bicycle. Okay. Second one, what is the action? அவங்க என்ன ஆக்ஷன் பண்ணுறாங்க? Hitting the ball, riding the bicycle. Do you understand ma? மூவ்க்கும் ஆக்ஷனுக்கும் உள்ள டிஃப்ரெண்ட். Next, motion. When an object or a thing moves from one place to another, it is said to be in motion. Motion is change of place. இப்போ ஒரு இடத்துலேருந்து இன்னொரு இடத்துக்கு வந்து நகர்ந்து போகிறது தான் வந்து என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க? மோஷன் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? When an object or thing moves from one place to another, it is said to be in motion. Second, we learn force. Force அப்படின்னா power or strength. வலிமையாக இருக்கிறது இல்லைனா அது ஒரு பொருள் மேலே நம்ம கொடுக்குற ஃபோர்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, விசை, அது வந்து சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஃபோர்ஸ் இஸ் எ புஷ் ஆர் எ புல் on an object which make it move, changes its shape or stops it from moving. First point, force involves an interaction between two or more objects. Force can lift or drop an object. Without force, we cannot move any object. நம்மளோட அந்த ஃபோர்ஸோட வலிமை இல்லைன்னா நம்ம எந்த ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்டையும் நம்ம மூவ் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே, அப்சர்வ் அண்ட் டிஸ்கஸ் த பிக்சர். Some boys are playing football. One girl pushing the wheeler, another one downing the water. Okay, they do pull or push any action as doing. Next, we learn push. Look and say what kind of actions do the pictures denote. The first picture, a man pushing the wheelchair. Second one, the boy push the pump cart. Third picture, a man pushing the car. Fourth, pushing the button. Okay, here all the pictures show pushing action. Do you understand, ma'am? When a force is applied in the direction of an object, it is called push. What is push? A force is applied in the direction of an object, it is called push. Next, pull. Pullனா இழுக்கிறது, pushனா தள்ளுறது. ஓகேவா? Look and say what kind of actions do the picture say. See the picture, ma. They pulling the bag. That boy pulling the what is pulling the box. Next, pulling the box. Okay, here all the actions show pulling action. இழுக்குறாங்க எல்லாருமே வந்து அந்த பிக்சர்ஸில் வந்து இழுத்துட்டு போகிறாங்க. When a force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of an object, it is called pull. What is pull? A force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of an object, it is called pull. Next we learn effect of forces. Energy is needed to apply force. Energy power. இப்போ நம்ம ஏதாவது ஒரு வேலையை செய்யணும்னா அதுக்கு வந்து நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கணும், சக்தி இருக்கணும் இல்லையா, வலிமை இருக்கணும். Energy to needed to apply force. Force help us to do the following things. First one, force can change the direction. Second point, force can change the speed. Third one, force can stop a moving object. Fourth one, force can change the shape. Okay, direction வந்து சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும், ஸ்பீட் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும், ஸ்டாப் பண்ணும், ஆப்ஜெக்டை வந்து ஸ்டாப் பண்ணும், அடுத்து ஷேப்போ சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன், force changes direction. Here in the picture, a boy hits the shuttlecock and it reaches the other boy. He hits it again with the rocket to move it to the opposite direction. This is force changes direction. Okay, second point, force changes motion. The cycle move forward because force is applied on the cycle by pedaling. When we stop pedaling, the force is removed and the cycle stops and come to rest. See the picture? Next we learn force can change the speed. Force can change the speed of a body which is already in motion by providing more force on it. Ram and his brother are playing with a toy car. Ram tries to move the toy car and his brother stops it from the opposite direction to slow down the toy car. Thus, force changes the speed of an object. Next, force can stop a moving object. Okay, an object stops moving when we apply force the opposite direction. Have you played football game? How will you stop the ball? The goalkeeper applies force and stop the ball. Do you understand, ma? Next, force can change the shape. When an inflated balloon or water balloon is pressed, some force is applied on both sides of the balloon. Thus, it changes its shape. While sequencing a plastic water bottle, force is applied on all sides of the bottle. Thus, the shape and size of the bottle is changed. What we learned today from the lesson, students: simple movements and action, force, push, pull, effects of forces. Do homework in Google Classroom, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.